As a business owner, one question you always have to ask yourself is, how can I add more value to the clients I work with? And I've realized over the past few months that the most possible value I can add to your life is not through teaching business English. The clients I work with who complete my business English program, they get some really good results. They can give better presentations, they feel more confident, and they're satisfied with the experience of working with me. However, the clients I work with, where we go step by step through their entire job search, from writing a great resume to improving their LinkedIn profile, networking, and then making an awesome impression in their job interviews, that process is genuinely life-changing for those people. And it's also what gives me the greatest amount of fulfillment. When I'm able to help people get out of a toxic work environment into a job that they love, helping them go abroad for the first time in their life or get a promotion that they have been hoping for forever, that is what makes me love what I do. So I've decided that Grant Sundby Business English Coaching is officially shut down and Grant Sundby Career Coaching has officially opened. My mission is to help 10,000 motivated Koreans get life-changing international jobs because you have something valuable to share with the world. To make this happen, I've been learning everything I possibly can, meeting with recruiters, attending career coaching webinars, and talking with CEOs about what they look for in candidates. My goal is to create the most value-filled and effective programs on the planet for Koreans looking to massively step up their careers fast. So if you're serious about moving up in your career, the first thing you need, even before your resume, is a great LinkedIn profile. I just put together a full video training where you will learn the 5 most common LinkedIn profile mistakes and how to fix them. I made this after looking at thousands of different Korean people's profiles and seeing some really common things that are preventing them from making a great impression. This training is completely free. I don't want your money. I don't need your email. I just want this to be something available to everyone, because if more people are using this platform the right way, by having an engaging profile and networking to build meaningful relationships, that will improve all of our experiences here. So you can click the link below to check out that full training right now, and let's start moving you towards a career that you'll love.